Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance, which is in class 12 CBSE syllabus. And the part 2 focuses on structure of polynucleotide chain. Okay, so what are the polynucleotide chains? Polynucleotide chain is multiple of nucleotides together, and the examples would be DNA and RNA, that are also called as nucleic acids. Okay, so we'll discuss about the structure of this polynucleotide chain. And generally, there are multiple questions from this chapter in the NIT examination, and we'll see what kind of questions as we progress through the different parts. So, structure of a polynucleotide chain. A nucleic acid is a macromolecule made up of chain of repeating monomers called as nucleotides. So, nucleotide, let's say this is one nucleotide, and then there is repetition of these multiple nucleotides, and ultimately it results in the formation of a nucleic acid. Okay. So, nucleic acid is a macromolecule. Macromolecule because it is made up of multiple monomers that are nucleotides. And then each nucleotide consists of three parts: a nitrogenous base, a pentose sugar, and phosphate group. Here you can see the first is nitrogenous base, pentose, and phosphate group. We also discussed this in the previous part. And then what is nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar called? It is very important that you know this. It is called as a nucleoside. We saw this in the previous part of this chapter, that nucleotide is a nucleoside plus phosphate group. So each nucleotide consists of a nitrogenous base. So what are the nitrogenous bases? There are 5 nitrogenous bases, that are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Okay, so these are the 4 that are present in DNA. But in RNA, instead of thymine, we have uracil. Okay, we'll discuss in more detail soon about all these. So, nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar plus phosphate is a nucleotide. And just the nitrogenous base and pentose is a nucleoside. And multiple nucleotides, that is nitrogenous base, pentose, and phosphate group, result in the formation of the macromolecule nucleic acid. And what are the examples of a nucleic acid? DNA and RNA. So DNA and RNA is a nucleic acid. So here is a polynucleotide chain. This is how polynucleotide chain looks like. And if we start to revise, what is a nucleotide? A nucleotide basically consists of a pentose sugar. So here is the pentose sugar. And then what is this ATGC? Adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. So these are the nitrogenous bases. And then these are the phosphate groups here. You see, all the P is the phosphate group. So this one whole structure is a nucleotide. This is the nucleotide 1. Here again, you see there is another nucleotide, and then there is another nucleotide. So, that is how it is. So basically here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 nucleotides. Okay. Here. So these 4 nucleotides result in the formation of a polynucleotide chain. Okay, so the pentose sugar and the phosphate group are always bonded together. This bonding of the pentose sugar and the phosphate group result in the formation of polynucleotide chain. So what are the nitrogenous bases? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine and uracil. We already discussed them. So they are heterocyclic rings containing atoms of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Heterocyclic rings. You see, these are like cyclic rings. You do not need to know the structure in detail, but you must remember the names. Okay. So here is adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, and uracil is present instead of thymine in RNA. So the nitrogenous bases are adenine, A, thymine T, cytosine C, and guanine G in deoxyribonucleic acid or the DNA. Okay, so DNA contains ATCG. In ribonucleic acid, that is RNA, uracil is present instead of thymine. You must remember this, that in RNA, uracil is present instead of thymine. Okay, so these nitrogenous bases are heterocyclic rings, There are total 5 of them, but in DNA, only adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine is there. In RNA, uracil is present instead of thymine, and then adenine, cytosine and guanine is there. So adenine and guanine are larger double ring bases called as purines. You see here structures like there are double rings, first ring, second ring, first ring, second ring. So adenine and guanine. Short form you can learn AG, AG is purines. Thymine, sometimes it is also called as 5-methyl uracil. Okay. So the reason why it is called as 5-methyl uracil, if you look closely at the structure, this is uracil and this is thymine. So rest everything is different, just thymine has this CH3 group which is a methyl group. A little bit of chemistry is there here, So that is why it is called as 5-methyl uracil. At the 5th position, thymine has a group which is a methyl group. So sometimes what they can do is they can confuse you in the NIT examination by asking you questions where the option instead of thymine they will write 5-methyl uracil. So don't be confused, So DNA contains 5-methyl uracil. Okay. So thymine, uracil and cytosine are smaller single ring bases and they are called as pyrimidines. So these three are called as pyrimidines. So coming back again to nucleoside. When a base in DNA attaches to 5-carbon sugar called as deoxyribose, the structure is called as nucleoside. You remember we saw this figure that what is a nucleoside, what is a nucleotide, when a base in DNA. So what is this base? This base is the nitrogenous base, ATGC, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine is also called as 5-methyl uracil. Okay. So when a base in DNA attaches to a 5-carbon sugar called as deoxyribose, the structure is called as a nucleoside. For example, adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, thymidine in DNA and uridine instead of thymidine in RNA. Okay, so this is the nucleoside name. When it is just the nitrogenous base, it is called as adenine. But when this base is attached to a 5-carbon sugar called deoxyribose, it is called as adenosine. Okay, this is very important. You must remember, This can be sometimes the questions in the NIT examination. So when it is a nucleoside, when the nitrogenous base adenine is attached to the deoxyribose sugar, then it is called as adenosine. And it is similarly, for all others, like guanine plus deoxyribose, guanosine. Cytosine plus deoxyribose, cytidine. Thymine plus deoxyribose, thymidine. Uracil and deoxyribose, uridine. Okay, instead of thymine and RNA. And then what is a nucleotide? We already know, nucleotide is the structural unit of nucleic acid. When the phosphate groups get attached to the nucleoside by phosphoester linkage, the structure is called as nucleotide. We have done this multiple times by now, that nucleoside, which contains what? It contains the nitrogenous base plus the pentose sugar. Which is the pentose sugar? In DNA it is deoxyribose and RNA it is ribose. When nucleoside plus phosphate group is formed, it is called as nucleotide. Okay. And the nucleotides are named according to the base that is present. For example, adenylic acid, guanylic acid, cytidyllic acid, thymidyllic acid and uridyllic acid. It is exactly like this, like adenine. Then the nucleoside will be called what? Adenosine. And then the nucleotide will be called adenylic acid. Okay, got it? So you have to remember, each of these, and it is very easy. Just remember one example: adenine, adenosine, adenylic acid, and then it is similar, for all the other nitrogenous bases. So to summarize, the structure of a polynucleotide chain. So the structure of polynucleotide chain contains nitrogenous base, it contains pentose sugar, and it contains phosphate group. And then there is this linkage of this phosphate group again with the pentose sugar. That is how a nucleic acid is formed. And what is a nitrogenous base and a pentose sugar called? It is called as a what is it called? Nucleoside. Okay, and nucleoside plus phosphate group, like all the three together, is called as a nucleotide. Okay, so these three together are called as nucleotide. So nucleotide is again nucleoside plus phosphate. Okay, it is very important to remember. And then when it is just the nitrogenous base, it is called as adenine. Nucleoside, it is called, what it is called? Adenosine. And nucleotide is adenylic acid. Okay, so it is very important, the questions from this part, if there are any, will revolve generally around, nucleoside, nucleotide, and you must know that RNA contains uracil instead of thymine. Okay, so you must remember the structure of nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, which is a nucleoside, and when a phosphate group is attached to a nucleoside, it is called as a nucleotide. Thank you for watching the video.